In this video, we will guide you through how to fix blurry screen and font text in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If your text on your Windows computer looks blurry, fuzzy, or difficult to read or slightly out of focus, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by display scaling settings, font rendering settings, or window display configuration. So let's start with the quickest solution first. Now, just go to your Windows search bar and just go ahead and search for adjust clear text type. Just go ahead and open the adjust clear text type, and here just go ahead and toggle on turn on clear type and click on next. Now here just go ahead and click on next, and here choose the text sample that looks the best to you. It may ask you 5 options, so just go ahead and choose that. So I'm just going to select the one that fits my needs. So I'm just going to select them. And after that, just go ahead and click on finish. Clear type is a built-in window feature that improves the way text is displayed on LCD and LED screen. In many cases, simply configuring clear text can noticeably improve font clarity. Now that the clear type has been configured, just go ahead and press Windows and R key on your keyboard. And now in the Run tab, just go ahead and run the following command. Just go ahead and type sysdm.cpl and hit enter. And now your system properties will open. At the top, select the Advanced tab, and here under Performance, just go ahead and click on Settings. Scroll through the list and make sure the option called Smooth Edge for Screen Font is toggled on no matter what option you are using up here. After that, just go ahead and click on Apply and click on OK and then click on OK. Now let's verify your display settings. Now just go ahead and press Windows and I key on your keyboard to open the settings, and then go to System and then go to Display. And here you will see the scale. Just go ahead and click on the drop down for scale and make sure it is set to recommend amount or higher than that, and make sure not to set it too high. I'm just gonna go with 150%, and you will see display resolution. Just go ahead and click on the drop down and set it to recommended, and you can set the display orientation to landscape. Now if the text still appears blurry after trying everything so far, we move on to a more advanced solution using window registry. Since registry contain important system settings, it's a good idea to create one backup before making changes. So go to your Windows search bar and then just go ahead and search for registry editor, and just go ahead and open the registry editor and click on yes if prompted. And once that the registry editor is open, just go ahead and click on file at the top, and from here let's go ahead and choose to export. And now just go ahead and select any location. I'm just gonna go with desktop and give your file a name. So I'm just gonna name it something like backup. After that, just go ahead and click on save. If anything ever goes wrong, you can restore the backup later by using the import option from the file. Now just go ahead and navigate to the following location. Just go to H key current user, and from here just go ahead and expand control panel, and from here just click on desktop folder. Now in the right hand side, look for an entry labeled as Win8 DPI scaling. It is usually on the bottom side, so just go ahead and double click on it and set the value data to 1 just like so, and click on OK. After that, right click on an empty area in the right pane and then just go ahead and select new, and here select a dword 32 value, and now name the new value to log pixels. Make sure L for log is spelled as capital and P is spelled as capital, and after that just go ahead and hit enter. And after creating it, just go ahead and double click on it and make sure to set the value data for log pixels to 78 and hit enter. Once completed these changes, you can just go ahead and close the registry editor. Now the final step is to restart your computer. A restart allows Windows to reload the display and scaling settings we just modified. And that's it.